Myth or fact? Does cracking your knuckles actually cause arthritis? You've probably heard this your whole life. Stop cracking your knuckles, you'll get arthritis. But here's the truth, that's a myth. Scientists have studied this for years, and there's no evidence that knuckle cracking causes arthritis. So what's that popping sound? It's not your bones rubbing. It's actually gas bubbles inside your joint fluid collapsing when you stretch your fingers. Think of it like tiny bubbles popping. Harmless but loud. One researcher even cracked the knuckles of only one hand for some years. And guess what? No arthritis in either hand. But here's the catch. Cracking your knuckles can cause temporary swelling or weaken your grip if you overdo it. Not dangerous, but not great either. So, the fact is knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis. But maybe don't do it every 5 seconds. Hence, myth busted. Subscribe, share and like for more such facts.